All right. So these are the steps that we perform during installation of GRC.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Uh, Once the basis team have completed the installation, we perform these steps in
Okay.
for our department, SAP Security department. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I will just give a brief fast. Yeah, yeah. Let me correct to it. Correct. Yeah. Also remember, Monica,
Mm-hmm.
now log into this one only.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, you are using that. All right.
आमिर ये भी इसी से सिस्टम है या फिर ये S4 HANA है?
This is S for HANA. See,
Okay.
this is S for GRC, right? S4 means S for HANA and connected to GRC system.
Okay.
Okay, that ECC one was not connected to a GRC system and it is normal ECC.
Okay.
That's the reason some options were not working, but SAP security related options were working very fine there.
ओके.
Okay.
इन इसके यूआई में मतलब कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है क्या ईसीसी में और S4 HANA में?
No.
ओके.
See, you know what is S for HANA?
हाँ मतलब आपने बताया था कि ईसीसी में क्या होता था कि हम थर्ड पार्टी रिपोजिटरी यूज करते थे जैसे ओरेकल वगैरह, और अभी S4 HANA में एसएपी की खुद की रिपोजिटरी अपन यूज कर रहे हैं.
Yeah,
डेटा हमारा मतलब इधर.
exactly. Okay.
हम्म.
What do you say? Storage. No, don't say repository. Instead say tell it database. Okay.
ओके.
Yeah. Repository will be counted that within the system. Okay.
ओके.
Yeah. Okay. So earlier in ECC we were using external databases like Oracle, IBM, and all. Okay. But now in S4 HANA, we are using a HANA database.
ओके.
Okay. And as per the GUI, there not much difference. Yeah, of course. Many T codes have been outdated and new T codes have been added.
ओके.
Okay. And these changes with every update, such changes occur.
हम्म.
Okay. Because SAP, the organization that SAP itself, they develop it, they find that the issues with the transactions and try to upgrade them as per the latest
ओके.
needs. Okay. Yeah. So here we are in the system. Now for installation, remember the most important T code that we will use is SPRO. Okay.
ओके.
Now we click on SAP reference IMG.
हम्म.
Click on it. Okay, you can see here that oh sorry, there are many like S4 HANA, SAP NetWeaver. Okay.
हम्म.
Okay, so this SPRO T code is very critical, sort of very critical.
हम्म.
Okay. Yeah.
ओके.
Like logistic, where there will be a warehouse as well. So many work can be done through here.
ओके.
But what we will do is we will scroll down. Okay. Give
हम्म.
me a sec. Yeah, there was a more. See, this governance risk compliance is related to trading
हम्म.
and all. Okay.
ओके.
So what we do is we go scroll down at the bottom, and this is the last governance risk and compliance.
हम्म.
Okay, we click on it. Once we click on it, we can see multiple options. For example, general settings, access control,
हम्म.
process control, risk management.
हम्म.
Okay, so we actually whatever we usually work only in this
Mm-hmm.
or GRC.
General setting.
If until and unless we are using any Fury or any other thing, we use this portion only. Okay.
Okay.
So we go to general settings. Let's see what was the first step. Okay, sorry. You know what? Forget the first step. Check the required software components. Forget that one. And RFC connections. Verify RFC connection means we have to check the RFC connections have been provided to us by the basis team.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If suppose
Okay.
there is no basis team in the project, then we might have to uh, create RFC connections ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, otherwise, basis team creates the RFC connections and provide us the RFC connectors.
Okay.
Okay, so we will start from the third step, which is activating basis sets of GRC and MSMP. Okay,
Okay.
what is BC sets? Business configuration. Okay,
Okay.
also some steps are very sort of critical, so we might not be able to check them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for example, this is BC sets. Okay. Sorry, currently we cannot check that. All right.
Okay.
So this button, this clock and tick mark button will
Mm-hmm.
be here, and we just have to click on it, and then we can check the BC sets. Yesterday I told you that like activate application and client. This active, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that we simply check this portion. That if they are active is good. If not, then we activate them. All
Okay.
right. So after that, we check SICF connection, or actually we activate SICF services
Mm-hmm.
related to GRAC and NWBC. All right. Now here, one more thing. This is a acronym I would say for governance risk access control, GRC access control. All right,
Okay.
GRAC. GRAC means governance risk access control. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
NWBC means Net Weaver Business Client.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So, sorry, SICF services, right?
Mm-hmm.
So for that we have to, slash o SICF and click on it. Yeah. This is the services. We will use the SICF T code here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then we click on services, execute. Default use. We click on service name. There are many services. Give me a second. It is said that for we need GRAC, right? Star
Mm-hmm.
GRAC star. Yeah, this is the service. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
hmm, it's not that. एक्टिवेट बटन कहाँ गई? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, SAP. Okay. Give me a second. Let me go back. Execute default host SAP. Yeah, here we have to find GRC. Sorry, GRAC. Mhm. Yeah, one thing we got NWBC. Okay.
Mhm.
Now we double click on and this. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This service is already activated. See.
Mhm.
Okay. So we just have to click on this activate. We have to check if it's activated or not. If it is activated, then fine. Otherwise, we have to activate this service. And we
Oh,
have to do this for all the services under NWBC.
okay.
Alright. One NWBC and GR. Oh yeah, sorry. Under GRC, we find GRAC, and now we find this. Sorry. Activate service. It is already activated.
Mhm.
Or instead, we can click on this GRAC and click activate service. It will activate all the services which are under it.
Mhm.
Okay. We have to make sure that all the services are active under this GRC and NWBC.
Okay.
Okay. And that's it. After that, this is step SICS services. This is this step is completed. Then activate
Okay.
application and client. I've already showed you this one. Activate application and client. We click on it, activate them, and save it.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Then perform automatic workflow customizing and perform task specific customizing. These two are very
Mhm.
important. Means even if during interview you have been asked the steps, you need to make sure that you speak these two.
Okay.
Okay. So sorry. No, how gया?
वर्कफ्लो के अंडर नहीं होंगे क्या वो?
Means
ऑथराइजेशन के जस्ट नीचे जो वर्कफ्लो है
oh
इसके अंडर.
yeah, sorry. Okay, yeah. This is perform automatic workflow customizing and task specific customizing. For
हम्म.
example, we click SW3. ये बंद किया मैंने. What was the ticket? SW3. OCU. No, 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 no. No, no. Back. Yeah, okay. No need to save it. This and this full authorization, save status, full authorization, save, generate. Huh? Levels are open. Generate. Yeah. All right. Save. We're going to present holiday again. Save /n. All right. So perform task specific customizing.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm? PROT code. This. No. Parts. SWFC नहीं है. Okay, our values. See, yeah, this is the SC53 that we now get.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Here you can see this is the system. I think server or system name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Type of issue. See, this is red means there's an error.
Mm-hmm.
Authorization check not successful. Issue was with transaction. If it was authorization object, then it would have said auth object or authorization object. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's saying that there is no transaction, no T code. So,
Yes.
okay. So in any role, uh, if there is no T code, then say sorry, in any role, the T codes are under the authorization object called S underscore T code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it shows that the under the authorization object S underscore T code, field TCD, there is no SWFC.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So since we know
Oh.
this, we will open PFCG. We already know the role.
Mm-hmm.
Menu. Oh, sorry. Authorization. Change authorization data. See, at the first one, it will be there. S underscore T code.
Yes.
Open it and more open it. Then under TCD,
Mm-hmm.
SWFC. Okay, there is no option to edit here. Go back, menu, SWFC, SWFC. This is a troubleshooting step. All right.
Yes.
Then we go to authorization, expert mode, third option, because we have added a T code.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will see this here as underscore T code.
Mm-hmm.
What is this? See, we can find that T code now. All right.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Now save and profiles are generated. Go back. Go back. Let's close this one. And now let's see. See, it's opening now. All right.
Mm-hmm.
We just performed an troubleshooting.
Yes.
All right. What was the step? Perform automatic workflow customizing, right? See, okay, it's already activated, so it's asking us to verification workflow. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so it will start and it will end and tell us that if there's an issue or not. Okay, that's it. Otherwise, there is an option to what activate it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we do that.
Okay.
Similarly, we will go to perform task specific customizing. Open up. Yes. And here the see information is provided to us. Okay. To activate which one we have to activate under this
Mm-hmm.
by the basis stream. Yeah, I don't think so. They will provide. Yeah. Okay. So they provide as the information. For example, let's take BC. Okay. So see,
Mm-hmm.
there are multiple options, right?
Mm-hmm.
So which one we have to activate is provided is told to us uh, means during the blueprint creation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, during the blueprint creation, we get this information, then activate event linkage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we have to select the object. But the objects are provided to us actually, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So we activate them, but we perform task-based customizing. We make sure that all the data is, active. So this is performed automatic workflow customizing and task-based customizing.
Mm-hmm.
After that, we check number range setting.
Mm-hmm.
Number range setting. Define number ranges. See, here the it is written uh, means a group have been created. It shows us that the like if you are means for every task, every action we perform, there is a no sorry. For example, sorry, yeah. For example, there is a I would say in offices you must have a ID card, right?
Mm-hmm.
You have an employee code there,
Mm-hmm.
so it might be alphanumeric or numeric.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we set up here the ranges. Means will the ID card start from 999. Okay, 1000, 2000. Will it be alphanumeric? So we update that, and these numbers are actually used during request creation. When we create a request or perform any action in GRC, then we can see those numbers. All right.
Okay. Okay.
That this was the task. This is the number of this task perform and all.
Mm-hmm.
So we set up here. Similarly, we maintain the supported language. How many, which language will be used by the organization? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Data source configuration. Then there is called data link, data source configuration. For example, if you are searching any user in GRC, we set up that GRC from where will the GRC pull that information from the database, or we can use here SU01 T code as well. That all the information is stored in SU04, sorry SU01 for user management. So GRC usually pulls the data from SU01.
Mm-hmm.
It can be changed as well. No.
Yeah, in this one, last third one.
Access control, right?
Yeah, last third, maintain data source configuration.
Yep. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Here it is. Data source configuration. So see, we provide here enter new entry. We
Mm-hmm.
provide the RFC character here. Enter the RFC character. These are the RFC characters provided created by the that team, basis
Mm-hmm.
team. Okay. So we will
Okay.
know that which RFC character we have to use here, and we enter that
Mm-hmm.
RFC character here.
Okay.
Once done, sequence, data type,
Mm-hmm.
because no value is found. Once done, then
Mm-hmm.
we will save it. Okay. Currently, we don't have data. That's why I'm not saving it. So we save it. So it tells us that where we will pull the data from. All right.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
All right. Then maintain configuration settings. This is very important. See, this is maintain configuration settings. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Here, what we set up is default parameters.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? For example,
Okay.
let's go down first. Yeah, you can see here under risk analysis, you can see 1021.
Mm-hmm.
Consider all rules for other applications. Okay, then default risk level for risk analysis. So
Mm-hmm.
we set up the default value 0. Similarly, for all the modules for operations control, that was risk
Mm-hmm.
analysis. Then emergency access management.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, give me a second. Really? Someone have again messed it up. Okay, if there's no data there, then we go to new entries.
Mm-hmm.
We select which one we have to we want to use. Okay. Emergency access management. We select emergency access management, then select the parameters. See, these are the parameters for emergency access management.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yes.
So we select the parameters here. Where is the option to save? Are you able to find the option to save, right? No.
No.
Okay. Let's try again. Because see, these are the default parameters. We set the information that what we will use during the blueprint creation. Okay. Like what will be the value of 4015, what will be the value of 4010. We set up all that during blueprint. And
Okay.
let me see. So element, parameter ID. Save it and done. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what was the parameter around? See, this is the parameter that we had added.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, 4012. Default user for forwarding the audit log workflow. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So we have added this parameter. If there's so we add these parameters at the time of installation. All the parameters, all the values,
Mm-hmm.
what will be the values is provided at the time of blueprint creation. So we have all the values. We just have to input those values. All right.
Mm-hmm.
After that, character setting again. We have to use SM59 for creating RFC characters. So these
Okay.
RFC, sorry, these RFC characters are provided to us by the basis team. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
under maintain character settings. Okay, so see, for every these are the target characters or RFC characters. We provide new entry here. Enter the target character RFC name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then what will be the application type? SAP, Oracle. So it will be SAP. Environment will be development. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And save it. We have to transport all the values. See, transport number was used, right?
Yes.
So this transport number will be used as many multiple times whenever we are making changes into GRC because it is now centralized. So it will
Mm-hmm.
once we have entered the transport number, it will forward all the
Mm-hmm.
data to other systems as well. Like how many systems are there? See, production and test,
Mm-hmm.
development, production, test. So from development, it will send it to test. After test it,
Mm-hmm.
approve it, it will go to the production system.
Okay.
All right. So here we maintain these connectors. Uh, all the values are, like I said, will be provided at the time of blueprint creation. So we just have to use
Mm-hmm.
the values.
Okay.
Once done, oh, sorry, not backend system. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
backend systems. Calendar setting for backend systems. Yeah, sorry, yeah. Oh, here also we will have the option to, use the character setting for backup system as well. Here only.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So these two are connected. Then we go to integration scenarios.
Mm-hmm.
This is a very important part. Yeah. We go to common component setting for integration scenarios, integration
Mm-hmm.
framework. Here also create connectors means we have to create RFC connectors. This is the work for basis team.
Mm-hmm.
Once done, we will go to maintain connectors and connection types.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Here you can see for IAG, as for HANA, SAP, everything connection type is uh, made.
Mm-hmm.
So we will enter the connector type here. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then maintain connect. Then we will click on maintain connection settings. After creating and maintaining the connections, we click on this maintain connection settings. Here we get the name integration scenario. All right.
Mm-hmm.
So for all the four components of GRC, uh, okay, see, AM is automatic, so it will always be activated. It's other four. Authorization, AUTH authorization means it is related to the risk analysis. Yeah, risk analysis part, analysis module. All right.
Okay.
Provisioning, access request management, access risk management, access request management. Okay. Then business role management and then emergency access management. All right.
Okay.
So what we do is we select this, click on this. Here we are on AUTH
Mm-hmm.
and sorry, select it, click on this, and here the data is provided, and we will just simply enter this information. All right.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So for all the four components of GRC, we have to activate it.
Mm-hmm.
For example, SCPMG, click on it. Okay, and again do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
Once this integration scenario is done, well, maintain connector setting we have already done. Maintain mapping for action and connectors.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a second. Yeah. Maintain mapping for actions and connector groups. Oh, all right. So we will continue tomorrow. All right, Monica.
Okay. Sure.
Time
Oh,
is left. So very much. So we will continue tomorrow. All right.
sure. Sure.